Hello students, how are you? I'm back again. Hello. So in today's session we are going to write standing line and slipping line in our notebook. Parents have to prepare notebook for them. I will show you, and they have to write. Press and write. They have to speak also. Standing line. If they are writing standing line, they have to speak standing line. If they are writing slipping line, they have to speak slipping line. Okay? So I will show you how to write and how to prepare book. See, this is my 4-line book. First of all, you have to mention the date. It is 24/6/2020. You have to mention the heading, trace and write standing lines, and you have to draw the line also. Then you have to draw 2 lines. You have to draw 2 lines like this, and you have to show them from where it will start, from red line to blue line, red line to blue line, red line to blue line, and then you have to draw it like this. Prepare a book like this. 2 lines will be dotted wala, and another from red to blue dotted for 3 lines, and then only the dot dot dot. Okay, so shall we start? I will show you how to write. First we will trace and write. Standing line. Trace and write standing line from red line to blue line. This way they have to speak so that they can recognize the lines also. From red line to blue line, standing line. From red line to blue line. Come on, let's do with me. Standing line. From red line to blue 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 line. It should not go out of the line. वो आपको ध्यान रखना है. Again you have to do the same thing. Trace, 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 trace. This way you have to finish this page. This way you have to finish this page. Okay? Now we'll turn the page. Okay? Turn your page. Next page you have to draw the another line. First you have to mention the date 24/6/2020. Trace and write slipping lines. You have to draw the slipping line. Again the same way you have to draw 2 columns. You have to draw 2 columns like this, and slipping line for them. The dotted one, 2 rows will be the dotted one. Another dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot, 3 lines, and then single dot. Okay, like this. Fine. So let's start with me. I will show you how to do. From dotted, press and write. Slipping line. Slipping line. From dot to dot, slipping line. Slipping line. Slipping line. Slipping line. Slipping line. Come on, let's do with me. Slipping line. Slipping line. So this way you have to finish this 2 columns also. Okay? So parents need to draw this book the same way I have shown you. I will send you the picture of it. Okay? So I hope you have understood how to write standing line and slipping line in your notebook. आपको कैसे लिखना है, ठीक है? So see you next time. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.